I bought this Freenove Arduino set on eBay, and I will do the unboxing now to see what is included. Quick overview what is included. LED diodes, this is RGB diodes, some transistor, photoresistor, these are diodes. I'm not sure what is this, maybe the thermo sensor, push buttons, resistors, potmeter, what is this, beepers, LED strap. This is motor, a relay I think, and since it is not good to connect the motor directly to the Arduino, they give this separate battery holder. This is servo motor. This is display. Unfortunately, only display, there is no connector, so I have to use it with a lot of wires. And this is the most important part of this set. This is the ultrasonic sensor for measuring the distance. And this is how it looks like in the box. The reason I bought this version, it is one of the most popular versions on eBay. And it costs less than $20 because I live in Hungary and I don't want to do too much paperwork. And if I buy something below 22 euros, then I don't have to pay VAT and duty. Okay, so this version is the ultrasonic version of Freenove, containing the Arduino set. So what do we have here? The display, battery holder, the USB cable, jumpers, cables, another jumper, cable, a small servo, potmeters, one DC motor. Yes, and this version was with ultrasonic sensor. It's very famous sensor. I will test separately this sensor to check its accuracy. The wires are a little bit deformated, but it's okay. And the Arduino itself. LED diodes. Breadboard with some, I don't know, this is LED strap, buzzer, resistors, and basically that's it. But what I like, instructions about resistors. Okay, so basically that's it. Not much, because I chose this version, the ultrasonic version, because it was cheaper than 22 euros, because I don't want to do so much paperwork and pay additional 27% for VAT and for duty. But what I like about this Freenove, that they have a website, and there you can find very detailed instructions about not only this set, but about what is the current, what is the resistor, what is the push button, and etc. Let's see, let's download that file and let's see that. Okay, let's go to the Freenove website and let's see what can we find there. I like when even it is Chinese company, but they have normal website and find some documentation there. Okay, store tutorial support, maybe a tutorial. Great, a lot of files. Ultrasonic. Yes, I have this Ultrasonic Starter Kit for Arduino. We can view this or download. Let's download it. Download is completed. Let's open it. Tutorials, datasets, sketches, libraries. Okay, let's see the tutorial. Very useful tutorial, and what I like about it that it is very detailed. I mean, watch this. There is a, for example, what is LED, what is circuit voltage, battery when you put it in parallel or serial connection, what is the resistor. So very detailed, even for the beginners. If you speak English, so you will find this very useful, even if you don't have this kit. But I really like, very detailed. This PDF has 145 pages, so that will take a while you go through that. Okay, I hope it was this video was useful. I will test this sensor later, and one of my next video will be the unboxing of the Lego sensor set and also the starter kit with Arduino. Okay, thank you for watching and follow me to my next video.